most of you know me. I'm Gavin, the father of the bride, otherwise known as a tripper. I messed up at my and Susie and I's wedding too, and so I thought I would do it for Anna too. I'm so sorry to step on your train. But anyway, Susie and I want to really thank everyone for being here, coming from all across the country, and some of you from across the street. But we appreciate you being here. Lance and Anna are so thankful and blessed to have the love of family and friends here.
I always ask couples to write little notes to me, and then I try to do Wordle with them to kind of get a feel for who I'm working with. And kind, smart, compassionate, loving, BB guns, taking shots of chocolate milk, fireworks, and getting in trouble. No, just kidding. Compliments of Tyler Olson.
Some of the things that I think we've noticed are like when Lance walks in the door, Anna gets so excited, and then whenever he calls, which is about 10 times a day, she gets so excited.
The great thing about Lance is he goes into so many different places and environments, right? Whether it's going to date his cities for soccer, it's internships in Indiana, wherever he goes, he comes with Kalamazoo, he comes into their home, he comes out here and he starts a job on the East Coast. I couldn't do it, I really couldn't do it. And what he does is what he comes to, I bet you guys all felt like you were there to make you feel comfortable, right? He came into your place where you were comfortable, you're a fall maybe Gavin, see, and I bet he made you feel comfortable. And that's the best attribute I think Lance brings, and something I'm trying to grow off of and learn a lot about, and that's this brother to brother, not little brother, big brother. And so Lance, I thank you for that. That's the way that I'm growing with you.
Lance, can you believe it? The day is finally here. It feels like it was yesterday. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. When we were day drinking in Dayton and spending almost every weekend possible together. When my graduation came, I didn't think our relationship stood a chance, but you thought differently, and I'm so glad you did. Your persistent and ever so charming personality was somehow able to convince me to fly to Indianapolis to take a chance on you and our relationship together.
You look absolutely amazing. And I was dreaming about this first look. Before I walked over here, I was just like, whew, deep breaths, deep breaths. I also remember being immediately attracted to you. It wasn't just your beauty, but it was also your mind and your personality. It was so obvious you were so intelligent, had a good head on your shoulders, and a fun-loving attitude, and it kept me wanting to know more and more about you.
So before I knew it, I was falling even harder for him and was traveling across the country just to be with him. All of my friends and family thought I was crazy and didn't believe it was even real. Now some days I think like him more than me. And so when I look back at our relationship on this June 3rd day, it's most definitely his lighthearted, genuine personality that still makes me light up every time I look at him. There's no one else who can make me smile, laugh, and cry like Lance. This is important, people. He accepts every quality of who I am as a person, highs and lows, extremely patient. He pushes me to be the person I want to be. And just like any relationship, all the things that happen. In our 2-year engagement, we've grown together.
My one thought for, Lance and Anna is, as you venture forward, you guys get an opportunity, something that might seem uncomfortable, might seem different. I am so confident that you both have the skills, the qualities, personalities. Go do it. You will succeed at it every time. I know you will. And it's because of that openness and your interpersonal skills with people. So jump at it hard. You both will always succeed together.
You are the most genuine, patient, compassionate, hardworking person I know. There is no one else I would want to spend all of my life's moments with, both the big and the small. There's no one else that can make me smile, laugh, and cry like you do. I love the way you can light up any room you walk into. I love your goofy mannerisms. I love your teddy bear personality and your countless hugs and affection. I love how driven you are, and most of all, I love how excited you get when we talk about our future together.
Anna has, is, and I am confident always will be there for good times, bad times, and everything in between. I cannot wait to spend our lives together, take on anything and everything that comes our way. So incredibly excited for this day, and this day has come. God bless.
I, Lance,
take you, Anna,
take you, Anna,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I promise to be true to you
I promise to be true to you
in good times
in good times
and in bad,
and in bad,
in sickness
in sickness
and in health.
and in health.
I will love you
I will love you
and honor you
and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Anna, I vow to be by your side through the good and the bad times, through sickness and in health, and until death. I vow to be faithful. I vow to be slow to anger and quick to forgiveness. I vow to support you, your dreams, our relationship, our marriage, and our future family, and always approach every conversation and situation with curiosity and understanding. I vow to always respect you, trust you, and believe in you.
I love you.
I love you. I vow to cherish you. I vow to always have fun with you and never lose our fun-loving spirit we have today. I vow to love you with my whole heart, spirit, mind, and body for the rest of my life.
Oh my gosh, it's over.
It's this. Anna, you are everything I've dreamed about and more in a wife, best friend, and lifelong partner. You are intelligent, kind-hearted, sweet, generous, honest, patient, caring, and breathtakingly beautiful. You are the love of my life, Anna. Let's take on this journey called life. Let's go be Mr. and Mrs. Gaspar.
As we start our life together, I promise to love you more than any obstacle, challenge, or fight that comes between us. I promise to love you on the great days and love you even more on the not so great days. I promise to be your biggest supporter wherever life takes us. It is my hope that one day we are able to start a family together and our children grow up to be just like their father, fierce yet always loving. I love you more than most. Oh, Anna.
We couldn't be prouder of Anna. She's dedicated. She's accomplished a lot in her young life. She amazes me with how dedicated she was with studying and in her job. And I think she gets that from her mother. Strong work ethic. We are exceptionally proud of the kind and compassionate woman she is today. And I'm very thankful that she's a nurse so she can take care of me when I fall all the time. Well, now's the time I'm supposed to introduce Lance to the family. But he's been a part of this family from day one. He really fit in really well. He took some really good-hearted ribbing during game nights, and he's even learned to let Anna pick the movie for movie night. But the funny thing is, he follows Anna's tendencies and falls asleep like 5 minutes into the movie. So Caroline and I are watching the movie, and these two are snoring away, and we're like, oh, okay. But we're so proud of, well, we love Lance, and we're blessed to have him as a son-in-law now, and we are grateful that he's part of the family.
So anyone, I ask you in this room, if your heart's full of wealth, grab a glass.
Finally, Anna, if there's anything that I will say that shows that you made the right choice with picking Lance, I think it's that you guys will always have a Halloween costume to do. Lance will be Ratatouille, and Anna can be the chef. So I don't say it very often, but I love you guys both, and welcome to the family, Lance, and I couldn't be happier for you both.